Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Stan Store to your TikTok account. So this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First things first, you need to go ahead to your Stan Store, and in order to see your link, you can go ahead here on My Store, and at the top you will see your link to your Stan Store. So you're going to copy it. After that, go to your TikTok. And on your TikTok, you will need to go ahead and click Edit Profile. And from here, you will see Business Information, Website. Now, if you don't see the website option, first you need to go ahead and change your TikTok to the business one. So to find this, you're going to click on three dots, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Account. And here, instead of switch to personal account, you will see switch to business account. So you want to go ahead and switch to it. And after that, you will have that website option. So now we're gonna go ahead, edit our profile and click on website. So before you add your website, you will need to go ahead and add your business registration. As you can see, the registration information can't be changed within 3 months or once your registration is approved. So make sure you enter correct information. You will need your business license ID. And then you will have an option to add a website, just like so. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Bye.